The locks in my truck are not working. The windows work fine. See, does nothing. Come over to the passenger side. See, doesn't lock, but it will unlock. That's all it does. The window works fine as well. Let's find out what's wrong with it. I'm gonna remove this door panel here. To make it easier to get the door panel off, you wanna lock the door. Then there's a bolt in here. Take this handle out. And this thing here, you just pull it off. In order to get this bolt out, you need an 8mm socket. The bolt should stay in the handle, okay, and then you just work the handle out like that. Just grab it and start pulling up on it. Make sure the door is locked. Oh, I forgot. This thing here I gotta take off. There'll be a screw there. I left it out because it's easier for me to get in here when I need to. It's gonna be hanging on the wires now. See, it's hanging on the wires now. I'm gonna have to go inside the door and look at the locking mechanism. I think I found the issue. When I was going to unplug the wires, the wire to the lock switch just popped right out. It wasn't even in. So I'm gonna put it back in. Try to get it, make sure it locks in there good. Put this one back in. And then I'll check and see if the locks are working. Let's see what happens. That's working. Oh, that was a nice little fix. It was just the wire popped out. Now you just reverse what I showed you. Put the door panel back on, and then that's it. You're done. Well, hopefully that was your problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and if you have any suggestions for future videos, leave a comment. Oh, and by the way, I did check the passenger side door, and the lock function is also working again now that this wire is plugged back in, just in case you're wondering.